Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be showing you the Warrior sanding drum kit. It has 80 grit and 120 grit. It's aluminum oxide, a pack of 20. We're going to be showing you the big drum that when you put it on and you put the sanding belt on, it expands, and then you can put it in the chuck so that you're going to be ready for sanding wood and making it fine and nice and smooth. So now we're using our rigid drill press today, which is really nice and suitable for this option and this task that you need to do. So we take the big one out of the package, and you take one of the belts, and you put it on like so. Now you want to make sure that it's snug on it using a wrench right there. You want to make sure that it's snug on the housing, and make sure that it's completely flat on it and around the drum. Now we're going to put those aside and take the big drum and put it inside the chuck. Now you want to make sure with these keyed chucks that you are fastening them and closing them tightly around the arbor of the drum. And I think that this set is suitable for the homeowner as well as the shop. We're going to take that away. We're also going to make sure that the tools are away from the table. That way they don't fall off from the vibration. Now keep in mind right now we're putting 2 pieces of wood to support the other block. And we are just going to take a look and make sure that everything is closed. And just adjusting the table to be flush with the piece, and make sure that you are flush with the sanding drum. And we have to abut it to make sure. Now, before you do anything, you really want to make sure that the drill press is shut off and disconnected so you don't hurt yourself. Also, with these tasks, I think that you should wear safety glasses because you have moving parts. And you want to make sure that you don't have any loose ends. And here we go. You just want to make sure that you finally do it around, and you're going to do rounding the edges, making sure that you are flush around it. I hope this is a demonstration of how you guys see the task done. Like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll turn it around and show you how flush how it's nice and smooth, as you can see on the edges. So like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you guys have a great day.